Welcome to another series of hair revamping. In this series, as you all know, we'll be doing our washing first before we go to styling. So we'll be washing this wig and let's just go straight to this video. No long thought because I have done several series of this washing and revamping video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Diary of a Hair Lover, a channel where you get to learn more about hair styling, hair care products, hair installation, and many more. Do where to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section if this is the first time of seeing my video so I can give you a shout out in my next video. By now, you all should already know how we start, but if you don't, if this is the first time you'll be seeing this series or the first time you'll be seeing my video on your page, just welcome, feel free. I am going to explain to you all over and all over again, even though I've done this washing series several times, but don't worry, I'm going to explain to you again because I got you. Yeah. So this is what we are doing here. We start washing this hair with a dishwasher. Yes, a dishwasher. You put a dishwasher in your bowl, your sink, wherever you want to wash the hair. You add hot water, hot boiling water. You add hot water, then you put your wig inside and let it sit there till the water is cool down. So when the water is cool down, you bring it out, you rinse it multiple times until the hair is super clean. Then you pour out the water you used to rinse it and you just put in another water. So this time you'll be washing with a shampoo, your normal regular shampoo, not just any old shampoo, your very good revamping shampoo. Do your hair while washing because everything is just going to tangle together and you're not going to love it. I promise you're not going to love it. So make sure you wash gently. Make sure you don't rough under the hair. You just wash it gently. So after that, I'll be going in with this, my versatile neutralizing shampoo. This shampoo has vitamins, this shampoo has conditioner, this shampoo is very perfect for your revamping. I wash the hair in the shampoo water, I let it sit down there for some minutes, then I continue washing and I bring it out. So I rinse the shampoo out of it, I rinse it very well till it is super clean and there is no more soap or no more shampoo, nothing on the hair. I make sure it is super clean. If you've been following this series all this while, you should already know this my conditioning paste, this versatile conditioning paste. You can use it for your natural hair, you can use it for your wig, you can use it for any kind of hair. It is very effective when it comes to neutralizing hair, when it comes to conditioning hair, when it comes to softening hair, when it comes to vitalizing hair, nutrition, everything on your hair. This my conditioning paste is just the perfect combo. And just take a look at all the things I am mixing together, all the conditioner I am mixing together, both leave-in conditioner and wash off conditioner. Just everything is just so perfect. After mixing that, just go in and apply on your wig. Apply generously. Please, there is one thing you will do and I will be angry at you and I will not forgive you is when you are stingy with product. When you are stingy with product, we cannot be friends because you need to be generous. Is this product that will bring your hair back to life? It's not that styling you want to go and do. Though styling also matters, but the base also matters. The base, which is the washing part of revamping, also matters. So do not be stingy with products. Be generous with it. Apply generously on your wig and you're going to love it. You're going to see the results. Just take a look at how I am doing here. After applying generously, you comb it out step by step. You start from the tip. You not start combing from the top. You start from the tip. You comb it gradually to the top. Then when you're done combing, you should get a very silky, sleek texture. And when you're done with that, just put in a Ziploc bag, you zip it. Or if you don't have a Ziploc bag, you put it in a nylon, just the way I did because I ran out of Ziplocs and I needed to do this hair. And I put it in a nylon and set it aside for 8 hours. After setting aside for 8 hours, I come back. If it's at night, you can just leave it overnight. But if it's during the day, 8 hours, then I went back there and I rinse it together with the other wigs. I rinse everything. I just let it sit in the water before rinsing. I'm sorry, I didn't rinse immediately. I allow it sit in the water for about another 8 hours. Then I came back, I rinse, I dry it, dry it. I do not blow dry. Please do not blow dry your revamped wig. Just let it dry naturally. Then after drying naturally, this is what we have. This is what we have, and you're going to go ahead with your style to your perfection, and that's it. We've come to the end of this video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do want to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget, if this is your first time of seeing my video, let me know in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Bye.